All right, since now we're doing our purlin, we laid out a purlin pipe and we attached it with 2 tech screws right there at each joint. Now on every single bow, you see we made a mark, so whenever we're putting our purlin up, it's all gonna tie together and it's gonna be a lot easier and look straight. All right, so right now we're hanging our purlin, and right here on the end, we use a 1-inch 2-hole strap right here. That way it doesn't rub the poly. And whenever you're hanging around upside down, it's a lot easier to put a little pre-drill right there with the tech screw that is provided. Now, when doing your side purlins right here, what you're gonna do is on the end bows, you're gonna use what's called a 2-hole strap, and that's a 1-inch, and you use the tech screws. And as you can see, you line up your purlin with that seam right there. That way it's uniform all the way the length of the house. Now, whenever you get it up there, you're always gonna shoot a tech screw right in the center pointing down. That way over time, it doesn't slide. Now on your other bows, you're gonna use what's called purlin clamps or cross connectors. And as you see,
almost just a little bit uphill, Mark.
They've got them tightened down, and then they've got a tech screw right there zipped in pointing down.